my life with overcomplicated moments and sticky situations. You're right, I hold it in my body. Little snakes inside a bottle, writhing in my frustrations. But it hurts so bad to share my skin with you watching. You know it makes me shy. Count to 1, 2, 3 and show my vulnerability. Come on, say something now.